New at 10, a suspect is dead, shot by Denver police after officers say he threatened them with an assault rifle. Jacqueline Quinn is live in the area where it happened on Alameda. And Jacqueline, what led up to this shooting?
Kathy, police tell us that he robbed this liquor store just across the street around 3 this afternoon. Police then tracked him down, and when they did, they told him to drop his weapon. He refused and threatened them with it.
I saw red tape around my tow truck, and I came outside and I just saw the cops around. I saw a car in the middle of the street.
Joshua Vleek had no idea there had been a shooting in the area.
All of our stuff isn't part of the investigation. They're pretty much letting our customers come in and out of us right now.
He stepped out to see the Denver police investigation that had roped off several blocks near Alameda, Pecos, and Navajo streets.
A caller phoned in to dispatch reporting that there was a man who had approached a liquor store at about 1300 block of West Alameda, armed with an assault rifle.
Officers responded near this Great American beer store. They found the suspect walking not far away, northwest a few blocks.
They stopped their vehicles at a safe distance from this individual, got out and began issuing this individual commands.
And they say he ignored them.
And ultimately threatened those officers with that assault weapon. The officers discharged their weapons.
The suspect was hit and taken to Denver Health Medical Center, where he later died this Sunday afternoon. Officers were not injured, but a critical incident protocol was initiated along with the investigation.
It kind of makes you really think about the area, but we're still going to, push on.
Now, I spoke with the clerk inside of the store. She says she was pretty shaken up, but she was not hurt. In Denver, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, covering Colorado First.